everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Of course, we are joined by Julianne, and we have Brian here in the studio. So it is good to have you guys. What's up? This is something we had talked about at CES, actually doing this build, and I'm excited to get to do this with the folks over at AMD as well, because we like to make pretty PCs, so it's good. Let's talk about what we're doing today, Julianne, because this is going to be beautiful, and it starts with this right here. It starts with the Fractal North. I gotta give Brendan and Fractal their love, because this is a beautiful case that we're kind of building everything around. And this one was kind of made a splash when the original Fractal North came out. Everybody loved the wood. I remember it being one of our most viewed just builds in general. But now some other people have started to incorporate wood, and that is the team over at Gigabyte. And what we have right here is the Gigabyte AERO X870. This is their E. Oh.
It's so pretty.
So check this out. And it's actually got it's not, I don't think it's real, or maybe it is. I think it might actually be real wood, but all in all, it's just a really, really beautiful wood type design that they've put on side of this X870E motherboard. Again, it's gonna look really beautiful with the wood that we have inside of the North itself. So there is our motherboard. Now to go with this, I also thought it was super cool because Corsair hooked this up. This right here is the Vengeance DDR5 wood. Look at that. We got wood on the Vengeance as well. So we're gonna, like I said, we're kind of going all wood themed here with this one. So yeah, we got the wood themed Vengeance DDR5. And this is 32 gigs of 6,000 mega transfer RAM, which I think is gonna be great. And then, you gotta have a good CPU to put in the wood. I'm trying to figure out why, but I've just decided. But this is the Ryzen 7 9850 Extra D, and that's a pretty good CPU, right, Julianne? I've heard a couple things.
It's the the world's fastest gaming CPU. That's got better. From
it just got better.
To the 9850.
And then of course you need storage for it. So we did a 2 terabyte 990 Pro. Oh, 1 terabyte. Sorry, 1 terabyte 990 Pro. There it is right there, 1 terabyte 990 Pro for it, which I think is gonna be great. And then of course you need a white GPU to go with that. And how about, why not the Gigabyte, given it's a Gigabyte motherboard, a Gigabyte Radeon RX 9070 XT, which is gonna be beautiful. So we got the OC, the factory OC in there. And then we're checking out this as well. This is a brand new AIO from the folks over at Cooler Masters. This is Elite Liquid 360. And so brand new cooler from the folks over at Cooler Master, which I think is gonna be cool. And I like the subtle lighting and stuff like this, which I think will also look nice. And then of course, thanks to Corsair obviously sending us the RAM, we might as well use their RM850E because I use it in everything. Anyway, there it is. That's all the parts going into it. If you want to do this yourself, there is a 32 gig kit version of this DDR5 RAM if you wanted to go ahead and check it out. I didn't know that for some reason, I guess I just missed that we were doing 16, but you can do 32 gigs if you want to. 16 is enough. There are obviously flight sims and some other titles that you might want to actually have 32 gigs of RAM, but 16 is enough if you wanted to do a modern day gaming one. But definitely 32 would be our bigger recommendation. But again, huge shout out to Corsair for sending us the kit, which is awesome. Okay, so let's get this put away and start the build. Okay, here we go. This board is so heavy, but I love everything from even just the brown on the actual different spots here that you can pull off for your M.2s, and then even almost like a copper just type of I don't know, they just did a really good job making this look so good. We got to put a good CPU inside of this bad boy for sure.
You mean one of the best?
Yes, the best, fastest, most capable gaming CPU as of right now until AMD ups themselves, which they always do, right? That's the plan.
Of course.
But nothing to announce today. We're not telling anybody nothing new. Just don't go be like they just announced something incredible. No, we didn't. So.
I wish, but no, sorry guys.
There we go. That's a crazy heat sink. It's very fancy. It's almost like a dog. It looks like a dog. You know what I mean? Like this is the ears, and it's got like a tail.
Yeah,
it's like jumping after a bone or something. I feel like a lot of times people just get this urge to update their system, and then you ask them, it's like, well, is it doing something that it wasn't doing well enough? And they're like, no, I feel like I need to upgrade. And it's like, okay, well, that's not a real reason to go upgrade. If you don't need to, save the money, right? Did you see that? It's almost the same.
Yeah, that's a nice white oak look.
Putting our wood RAM in the wood build would be a good thing to do right now. Okay, so we're ready to put this inside. It's time to start making this build turn into like a whole thing.
I'm in the way, my guy. Sorry.
You're supposed to be in the way. You're good in the way. Okay, here we go.
I'm taking up space.
Would you mind not taking up space?
I'm gonna leave it later, okay? Sorry.
Okay, that looks good. Yep. That looks good. All right, let's get our AIO in here. Okay, we're just gonna pop this up here. Kel, did you know that we found out what the official term is for the things that go around the AIO? The things that connect to the AIO that like attach the AIO to the CPU. No, not the fans. The thumb nuts. I don't know if you know this. I'm going to show them to you. And it's called thumb nut. Those are thumb nuts. Whoa, right there. So you should, if you ever sit there and you're like, hey, are you down a thumb nut? You can let people know, so then they know when to order them. That's what they are. Those right there, thumb nuts. Don't over tighten them.
Don't over tighten them.
Luckily, these ones, I think these thumb nuts like just stop, right? Like they don't, you can't like over tighten them. Nice. I like it. Really clean. Like it. Looks like it's clean.
It is absolutely very
and
clean.
now that beautiful thermal paste is all hidden and that nice light.
I'm so excited. I'm so sorry that your masterpiece is now hidden, but now it's more like a Banksy, like someone said earlier, where it was just temporary.
There it is. Yep. Okay, let's get our GPU in. This PC is not for Julianne. This PC is just to build a PC. Julianne is from AMD. She is an engineer, very, very talented on-screen talent as well. So she's here hanging out with us, and she hangs out with us on all of our Build-A-Rig with AMD. And so she is. She also makes sure that things stay on track, but she's not the best at that because we usually go off track pretty heavily. But it's awesome.
I'm really good at distracting. My bad. I'm here for good conversation.
Exactly. Here's our beautiful Gigabyte white 9070 XT. Now this actually has like a gaming starts here label on it. Look at that. Never seen that before. This like slides. I feel like this. Oh, so this will slide. I don't know why it slides, but it slides. I guess it's so you can hide the. If you want to show the Gigabyte, you can move it depending on where the cables are.
Oh yeah.
That's kind of cool. There we go.
Choose your own aesthetic.
There it is. Okay, time to do our PSU, or as they say some places, PSU. Where's your PSU?
Cannot deny that. I mean, we had Fractal, we had Falcon Northwest.
There we go. Okay, so that's all in. PSU's in. Okay, next up.
Fractal North. So much space, so roomy.
So many room for activities.
Exactly. You're just like looking at this, like, oh, this is you? This is all you right here? That's what it feels like the entire time.
Yeah.
It's like all this space.
Okay, 3 plugs. There you go, 2. Okay, there we go. All 3 are in. That looks great. That looks good. And I'm gonna put the parts back on this because we are officially done with the build. Thank you. Perfect. Oh man, guys, I just realized the whole build is done. I guess I just put it all together and then I like stepped back and I was like, oh, it's finished. There it is, guys. There's the build. What do you think? Looks clean.
I'm excited to see what it looks like when it's lit up.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out, I think we want to do like a more natural like light for it, almost like a, not like a blue white light, but like more like a lighter white. Let's get it turned on. Moment of truth.
So good.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's on. RGB right now. I don't think the RGB is the right look for this at all.
No.
It actually is almost like, it's almost appalling. Okay, so those are all, from our eye, those are all at pretty close to the same color.
Person.
Yeah. Yeah, you pretty much have to match everything to the Gigabyte, like whatever Gigabyte sets as its main color. Okay, so we got our fan curve. Let's put our glass on real quick.
Peeling.
There we go. The almost finished wood build. If we could just get the dang lights to work on the GPU. But it is still
the GPU
looking...
just wants to rave the entire time.
It does, it wants to rave. It's like, I am doing my own thing, bro. Let's go and check out airflow and do the temps. So let's get that going so we can just show how it's gonna run there. Okay, so right now we're running at 75.
The screws that you were
Wow.
but not actually screws.
I don't know what it's doing right now. I'm not even running anything, and it's at 54. Oh, it's back down to 30. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's run multi-thread, 69, 75, 75, 76. That's fine. That's good. Let's see how our airflow goes. Yeah, see, it's moving through there quite quickly, and you're getting some down to the GPU as well. So it's got plenty of airflow. So yeah, not any problem in terms of airflow or anything like that. And then when we're looking at our temps here, guys, still sitting in, it's 80. It's gonna sit at 80. So it's gonna be fine in terms of temps and stuff like that. So this new Cooler Master AIO is doing a great job of just keeping the temps right where they need to be. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's show. You got to see the full wood build. Again, huge shout out to Gigabyte, Corsair, and AMD for, of course, Fractal, right? Fractal, the huge one, for all the parts and stuff for this build. Have an absolutely amazing rest of your day, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye, guys!
Hi.